To download Minecraft for free in PC, open Microsoft Store, click in Store Search, type Minecraft, click on Minecraft Launcher, select Get, then click on Download, click on Yes, and wait for it to download on your PC. After downloading, click on Install, then select Play. After Minecraft Updater is done, you will see a screen like this. You need to sign in to your Minecraft. It will ask you to sign in with your Microsoft account. Simply select it and sign in to Minecraft. Once you will be on this screen, click on Play Demo and it will start downloading on your PC. After downloading the demo, simply click on Continue and you can start playing Minecraft on your PC.